License three PILs of you, and what happened today?
I filed a PIL in 2016 of regularization of unauthorized construction, which is admitted, and there is a ad entry. And then 2022 I had challenged the EHN number, that is also admitted, and it is expedited, hearing is admitted. Today connected matters were there of amendment for the unauthorized construction and Communidad Land Revenue Act and Mhaje Ghar. I challenged all notices were waived by the government AG, and matter is kept on 3rd February for their reply.
One preliminary objection is raised by the AG regarding your locus standi or being a government servant you are filing PIL.
That already I have answered in that yes, I am a government servant, and I have filed it in a personal capacity. I have kept it, I have written it. As a citizen, if I vote for BJP or Congress, I don't work for them or not. And all those rights, citizen comes first, then government. There are so many n numbers of government judgment which I have already answered in 2012 in Supreme Court. They should go and see that Supreme Court affidavit of mine, and Supreme Court dismissed the allegations of the MLA that time.